To set up a custom email notification template in MyGeotab, come over here to Rules and Groups, Rules, Notification Templates. Click Add Email Template, and from this page we can go about building the actual template that we want. Name is going to be the name of our template, and this is what you'll use when you're setting up the notifications for a specific rule. We're going to do that at the end of this video. Subject is what will show up in the email subject line, and as you'd expect, body is what shows up in the email body. These tokens here below can be used to set up the template so that the system can populate each of these fields when the event happens. So for example, the address token is going to show you the address where the rule was broken. You can put these in both the subject line and the body, so let's put a token for the vehicle and the rule in the subject line to make it clear what our email is about, and then we'll put some extra stuff in the body. We'll put in the device, the rule it broke, the date. Underneath here we can put in a map snippet to show where this took place, and we'll add the address in just in case that'll help us later. We'll save this, and now we can apply it to a notification template. We'll add this to our speeding rule. I'm going to go to this envelope icon and click Add Email to add a new recipient. Under Template, we'll select the new one we just created, and I'll type in a new recipient to get this email. Click Save over here, and we're done. Now we just have to sit back and wait for one of our drivers to break our speeding rule. Here's a sample of what this email will look like. We've got our subject line that tells us which vehicle broke our rule, and we can see the map and other details that we specified earlier.